Hi, my name is Jen Ferguson. I am here in our booth with Kito Crosby. Kito makes chain hoists, Crosby makes rigging. Today I have our Krewmate hoist, 1 ton. This is an excellent outdoor hoist. It is completely sealed. It drains out of the hoist if you have an outdoor event. It comes with nickel-plated load chain, which is very corrosion resistant, wear resistant. It has simple limits, external, so you don't need to get into the cover and do anything with your limits. You have an upper and a lower external. And it comes with a 10-year warranty on the brake, so you don't have to touch the brake. And then we also feature some of the Crosby straight point load monitoring devices. So down here we have our radio link, and then up there we have our shackle version. You can run up to 126 points, and you have software to match it. But it's just, it's a great solid hoist, very durable. And you can double rAVe this to 2 ton as well. So you can find more information on our website, KitoCrosby, KitoCrosby.com/entertainment.